In the shadow of the majestic K2 mountain, a young girl named Fatima, her playful monkey companion, and Jaraaf, a wise young giraffe, set out to explore the wonders of the towering peak. As they traverse the rocky terrain, they encounter breathtaking views and the challenges of nature. Fatima dreams of reaching the summit but fears her abilities. Monkey encourages her with playful antics, while Giraffe shares stories of his own journeys, instilling confidence in her. As they ascend, they face on